If you're even thinking about trying the just released Code2 AI, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Because while it might just be the best new AI software of the year, there are a few surprises that can catch you off guard if you're not ready. And yes, you can try Code2 AI completely free using the first link below. No credit card, no commitments. Just jump in and start building. But stick with me, because one of the features most people overlook could save you hours every single week. So what is Code2 AI? In simple terms, it's a no-code AI-powered web app builder that lets you go from idea to live product insanely fast without writing a single line of code. Think landing pages, dashboards, internal tools, SaaS products, all driven by natural language prompts and backed by a strong visual editor. It's one of the few tools that merges no-code and real AI-assisted logic flow that actually works. First, the interface is clean and fast. Unlike some bloated no-code tools, Code2 AI feels like it was made for marketers, solopreneurs, and growth hackers. You don't need tutorials to get going. It's drag and drop mixed with GPT-style prompts, so you can just say, build a CRM with lead tagging and automated email follow-up, and the framework actually builds it for you. Second, real-time logic. You can define conditions, actions, and flows visually, and the AI will even suggest improvements based on your setup. I've tested dozens of these tools, and most of them choke on logic. Code2 AI doesn't. It feels like having an engineer sitting beside you. Third, integrations. It connects with Stripe, Google Sheets, MailChimp, and over 100 other tools, either natively or through webhooks. That makes it ideal if you're building something to actually scale or sell. Now here's something that really matters if you're using AI to move fast: export control. With Code2 AI, you can export your codebase if you ever want to move off platform. That's rare, and it's huge if you're building a startup or MVP and want long-term flexibility. Fifth, templates. Code2 AI comes with a growing library of pre-built apps, CRMs, booking systems, dashboards, e-commerce flows, and you can generate new ones instantly with AI prompts. This cuts down build time drastically. I built a client dashboard with payment logic in under 30 minutes. Sixth, pricing. There's a generous free tier to test it out, and their paid plans are actually startup friendly. Most platforms lock key features behind steep paywalls. Code2 doesn't. You'll get access to advanced logic, live deployment, and API integrations at a very fair rate. And finally, this one's overlooked: collaboration. Code2 AI lets teams build in real time. You can co-edit apps like you're in Google Docs, making it amazing for product teams or agencies building for clients. If you're still wondering whether it's just another overhyped AI tool, don't. Code2 AI is legit. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and powerful enough for pros. But the real kicker is how much time it saves. If you're serious about launching faster, building smarter, or validating ideas without code, Code2 AI is one of the best tools you can use right now. And remember, use the first link below to try Code2 AI for free and see it in action for yourself. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and I've linked my top recommended AI softwares below, all of which you can also try free. Check those out after you give Code2 a spin. You might just find your new favorite workflow.